Yeah, this is the part 2 and it's continuation of the previous video where you can remember the olden days the people used to wear, and this is the flagship, and this is the like what you say, the throne for the RADO. And this is just a status watch where you can shows your status. And clearly it's quite good and loved, and the quality of this watch is really awesome. And this is a scratchless metal, and you won't get any scratches on the chain as well as the dial as well as the side of this metal. And yes guys, this is the unboxing of the RADO Diastar, and hope you enjoyed the video. And please do subscribe my channel F Vlogs for the more updates. Thank you, and say goodbye.